Consequent to fall of Kushan Empire, Maghas gained control of Kausambi region. There is a mention of Maghas dynasty in Puranas also. Inscriptions and coins of Maghas have been found in Prayagraj region and region corresponding to the area of the ancient kingdom of Vatsa after the rule of Kushan king Vasudeva. A king named Nava had influence in this region. The lack of worthy rulers led to the declination of the Kushan Empire. One of the greatest Kushan rulers was Kanishka. After him, there was only one powerful ruler, Vasudeva I, who was able to manage the empire. After his death, the empire got disintegrated. Bhimsena was another independent king of Bandhogad. Inscriptions of King Bhadramgha have been found in both Bandhogad and Kausambi. Following kings ruled this region: Bhimsena, Magha, Bhadramgha, Roshthasri, Bhattadeva, Sivamgha, Vaisravana, Sivamgha II, Bhimavarman, Vijamgha, Jaymagha, Rudramgha, Satmagha. Inscription number 122. Kosam stone slab inscription of Bhadramgha, year 81. Provenance: village Nohai, nearly 242 kilometers northwest of Kosam Pillar, Prayagraj district, Uttar Pradesh. Script: Brahmi of later Kushna period. Language: Prakrit influenced by Sanskrit. A number of records found in Kosam region bear a striking likeness in point of script, language, style and the system of dating. They are one Bandhogad inscription of Raja Bhimsen year 52. Kosam inscription of Mahaja Bhadramgha year 81. Kosam inscription of Maharaja Bhadramgha year 86 to Kosam, Prayagraj inscriptions of Maharaja Bhadrengha year 87-6. Kosam inscription of Maharaja Sivamgha, Kosam inscription of Maharaja Vaisravana, year 10. Kosam inscription of Maharaja Bhimavarman, year 130. The paleography of these inscriptions places them in the period intervening between the end of Kushna rule and the advent of the Guptas. The earlier ones in the series are more akin to the Kushna records and the last ones to the Gupta records in the matter of paleography. English translation of the inscription. In the year 81 of the Maharaja, the illustrious Bhadramgha, in the second fortnight of summer, on the 5th day on the aforementioned slab seat was set up by the Guild of Stone Masons of Katsa. Inscription number 123. Kosam stone slab inscription of Bhadrengha. Year 66. Provenance: Hasnabad. Near Kosam, Prayagraj. Up. Script: Brahmi of the northern class of 2nd to 3rd century A.D. Language: defective Sanskrit. According to the Puranas, 9 kings of Magha dynasty ruled in South Kosala. 6 of these are known from their copious coinage and several inscriptions found in Bandhogad in the heart of Baghelkhand. Kadramaga's inscriptions are found as far north as Kausambi. These inscriptions are dated, but there is a great controversy regarding the era used. All the Gupta vassals had to refer to their sovereign in their inscriptions, and they are not permitted to issue their coins. Jayaswal History of India to Kalchuri year of 248 to 249 AD and A Ghosh, Indian culture. IP 715 considers it to be a Magha dynastic era whose use was confined to only Magha dominates. English translation of the inscription. Well, being on the day 5 of the lunar half month 3 of the rainy season of the year 86 of Maharaja Sri Bhadramgha, divine door is donated for the Arya by Hemanga son of Ka, who was devoted to peace. Inscription number 118 Bandhogad cave inscription of Bhattadeva, year 90. Provenance: back and right walls of cave number 5 near Bandhogad fort. Rewa district, Madhya Pradesh. Script Brahmi of the 2nd century, a language Prakrit. About 2 kilometers west of Gopalpur, two fragmentary inscriptions give a vague indication to the effect that Bhattadeva was the son of Podsiri. In the first of the name of the ruler only Maharaja Podsiri Pudsa Ko is legible. In the first one in A of the second inscription found on the back wall of this cave, only the portion containing Maharajsa Kosiki Putsa Siribhattadevasa is preserved. The two records together indicate that Bhattadeva was the son of Proshthasri and Kaushiki.